What's up, guys? Let's unbox stuff. Alright, so I ordered this box from tangle.com. It's a Bluetooth auxiliary cable, basically. So you don't have to use an auxiliary cable. You connect straight to this thing and can play music wirelessly. So I'm going to open up the box. There's lots of paper inside. There you go. Here's the Bluetooth adapter, and here's another auxiliary cable I bought that is 2 meters long. Cool, eh? Alright, I'm keen to see how this thing works. Car home stereo auxiliary, yeah. I don't know how these things work. Oh, 3 meters. Well, that's a pleasant surprise. Cool. And this one, I don't know how far the range is, but that doesn't really matter. What matters is that it works. So let's try it out. Alright, so basically how it works. Yeah, man. Alright, you take this off. Plug the USB into something or other like this. That powers it up. Once it's powered up, you take the aux from here and you connect the aux from here, which is in the back, from there into the sound system that you want to be playing music on. So yeah, I'm going to be testing it on the car. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to be testing it in here. You can check there's no Bluetooth ability in this car. So yeah, just got to get a charger for the Bluetooth first. Check, I found Dylan. Dylan just randomly appeared. I'm joking, he works with us.
No, I got you. I flew you.
Okay, so this has to be plugged in. And then we'll switch the car on. Alright, so that's on. Here's the Bluetooth adapter. Goes in there. This way around. Then the aux has to stretch its way up and land in there. Alright. And then we can connect to the Bluetooth. Because Raymond's making such a noise when I'm trying to make my video. Raymond, shush! Shush!
Josh!
Shush, you're making a noise while I'm trying to make a video.
Shush, shush.
Alright. Continue, Raymond. I'm making a video. How are you?
That's right.
Say hello to people on YouTube. Say hello to them. Wave, say hello. Yeah, that's Raymond. Alright, there, now you see it's connected. Now we can switch on the car and make sure it's on aux in. And then, is it on aux in or is it on radio? Okay, let's try. Might be stronger than the other auxes. This thing is awesome. See, Raymond, look, no chords. No chords. Cool, eh?
When you told me that you love me,
I need to figure out why it's doing that.
I think it's just the Bluetooth.
What Bluetooth?
Because it has Bluetooth. It has the Bluetooth signal. It's probably sending it through.
Oh, so it's supposed to. It sounds like it cuts out when the song is playing. Yeah, connect it.
It's a common Bluetooth problem.
Is it?
Yeah.
It didn't do it on the small sound system, only on the big one.
Maybe it's also this thing because now it's going through, yeah?
Yeah, I think it is maybe this thing because this thing is
Yeah, funny.
This thing here is Chinese.
Yeah. So,
No, this isn't. That's imported from USA.
it's made in China.
It's not.
There it is.
No, it's not.
Could be multiple things.
Yeah, but this thing works really well on my sister's sound system.
Okay, well then it's this thing.
Yep.
Very fine if you plug into a regular car charger, it's gonna work fine.
Yeah, no, I think this thing is stuffed. It's faulty. Okay, so we got a new device for work. Cool. Subscribe. Get your merch. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys that it does work properly on my JBL. I'm going to connect to the AUX on here. So there's the AUX. Plugged in. Bluetooth plugged in. Right there. You'll see it switches on. Plug that in. Alright, so we're not going to connect to the JBL, we're connecting to normal Bluetooth. There we go. It's scanning for Bluetooth.
Carry.
Oh wow, it talks now. Okay, cool.
Carry.
There we go, connected.